What's going on, everyone? It's Abdallah back again with another episode of Wonderful 101. How are you guys doing? Alright, so we are moving on to Operation 002C, Blossom City Center. Let's jump on in, shall we? Okay, here we go. Looks like I already have whip, don't I? Oh, God. Whip it up. Jump on over. The Notaria. Parasitic Intelligence Extractor. Wonderful.
Target acquired. Let's get this parasitic intelligence extractor. Team, unite up!
Roger!
Alright. Let's go big punch. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Oh man, lasers out of nowhere. I gotta change my direction. Where are all my guys at? Come here. Okay, now I can pick up my dudes. Ugh! Alright, come on. Where are you guys at? There's only a little bit of health left on this thing. There we go. Done. Easy. Not too bad.
The Valiantium Blade claims another victim, and not a scratch on the tower. Well, maybe.
What? Do not tell me that is all you've got. Where is the bada boom?
Oh, you are plenty of the bada boom for me, ma chérie.
Ooh. How do you say get lost in French?
Merci. Merci.
Oh no! Not this dude! Look at him on that, like, surfboard in the air. Alright, here we go. The Gah-Goojin. Assault landing ship on his arm. Megaman style.
Initiate tower demolition and earthling purge. Commencing.
We have to defend the tower from that gargantua.
The impossible is possible when you're wonderful, baby. The enemy is on the move. Wonderful 100, our target is that giant bipedal assault weapon. Team, engaging unlimited form. Team, unite up!
Alright, so we're maxed out.
All fighters, this is Big Leader. Be on the lookout for enemy robots.
Alright, come on, let's beat this guy up. Oh!
All fighters, fighters, this is Pink Leader. Pull back from that target immediately.
There we go. Counter that. Yeah, counter that again. That's it. There we go. Look at that. There we go. Slicing this guy up with his sword. Heck yeah. Here, I'll slice that off. Ooh, watch me get punched. There we go. Slice that arm right off. Alright, I gotta finish this guy off. There we go, slice him right up. Spikes on his head, oh no.
Bad boy.
Ah, what the heck was that? Give me that thing. There we go. Give me that.
All fighters, this is Pink Leader. Everyone support the wonderful 100.
Alright, jumped on top of that. What the heck? Okay, that was awesome. Keep on breaking them. We're almost done.
Bad boy.
What the heck? I'm supposed to do something there. To finish him off, like a finishing blow. There we go, taking all that health away.
All fighters, this is Pink Leader. Our target is that assault robot.
Ah, what the heck? What is happening here? Come on, how is he not dead yet? How is this guy seriously not dead yet? Oh God. Get that big 20 Wonder Punch. Oh yeah. Big old punches, yes. It was awesome. Oh, big spike. Get that 19 whip. Right back at him. Oh, punish that. Wow, knocked his head right off. Money! Collecting all that. Oh, now we gotta go in? Wow, I need health. I don't need money. Oh god. Let's see. Wonderful cake. Wonderful steak. What does that do? Makes you invincible. No, I don't need that. Wonderful cake. That gives you unite gauge. I don't need that either. I need some soups, man. I don't have any soup. Oh god, I gotta be really careful now. Okay, that looks like a very non-safe reactor core there. That one doesn't look so safe either. What are we in? His heart or something? What is this? Keep going. Please don't hit me while I'm hitting you. Oh god.
I'm lowering the hook. Grab it, Red.
Get that Unite Whip going. Whoa.
Initiating self-destruct. Initiating self-destruct.
Tickle?
Bye-bye! The bigger they are, the more fun they are to toy with.
Mon chéri, this is the bigger they are, the harder they fall. In love. Allow me to be your plaything.
When I said toy, I meant destroy!
Ah, merci, madame. Operation 002 complete. Blossom Tower communications restored.
Team, you've done an amazing job against incredible odds, but now is not the time to rest on your laurels. We've got a lot of data to comb through if we're going to predict where they'll strike next. Back to the ship and remain on high alert.
Roger. Wonderful 100. Let's head home.
Roger!
Wow, that was epic. Whew! You sunk my giant. Not bad. Not bad. I took a lot of damage, and the time took a little while, but man, like non-stop action. Crazy style. Okay. Mystery bonus and boss bonus. So now, I'm hoping that we'll have enough money to get that ukemi that we've been saving for. And for those of you guys who are just joining us, the ukemi is kind of like Smash Bros. Tekking, where if you get hit, right before you land, you press an action button, and then out of nowhere, you'll get up really quick. And in this game, you'll actually not get hurt. You'll recover the hit.
Ukemi.
Yes. Got it. Now what? Okay, that was a custom block. Alright, custom blocks. Yeah, we have it. So we're going to have to try it out a little bit later. That's kind of cool. Alright, alright. Exit that. Exit the shop. Okay, equipping custom blocks on the custom screen allows you to use their effects in battle. You can simultaneously equip as many custom blocks as you have available slots. Cool. Alright. So we'll do that on the next episode, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I enjoyed this episode so much, and if you guys did too, feel free to let me know in the comment section and by clicking on that like button. We want to try to get 100 likes this time around, so help us achieve our goal and support the channel. Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you guys on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more Wonderful 101. See ya!